Let us appreciate the Vice Chairperson once again for her remarks. Mrs. Marie Chantal Nduhunjire, thank you very much for honoring us with your presence. And throughout this afternoon, you're going to hear nuggets of wisdom from different people. Some will come from your age mates, others will come from people older or younger than you, but I hope that you hear with an open mind, ready to learn and ready to foster a relationship. If you're seated at a table with somebody that you didn't come with, please you make sure you say hello to them, introduce yourself, introduce your business idea, introduce your business. You never know. This room should not leave us the same. I say that all the time. You don't come to a place like this and go back to school or go back home the same way you come. No, that you came. That is an abomination. I would love us to welcome forward the judges. We've got a set of rules that the judges are going to present to us. I would love you, our dear contestants, to pay attention as the rules are being read. They are your rules. And for some of those rules, if they're broken, you'll get disqualified. We don't want you to come this far only to get disqualified. I would love to start with the only lady on the team, Judge Alice Iribagiza. Please come forward. We have a lovely table reserved for them. Could we have a few bottles of water taken to that table? Please. For you joining us online, thank you for coming through. Use the hashtag UniChallengeRW to keep this conversation going. You're welcome, Judge Alice. Next, we have Judge Emmanuel Ruziga Masantura. Thank you for joining us once again. I was telling some Capital Market Authority guys that at least we thank God for the challenge, because it's guaranteed that every once a year we will get to see each other. So the judges, the CMS staff, it's always great to see you at least once a year. Then last but not least, our team leader, the lead judge, Rugamba Emmanuel Mutabaruka. Please take your seat. Let's appreciate the judges now that they're all there. Wonderful. As I said earlier, the judges have a set of rules that they're going to present to us. They will read that, pay attention. They will also invite you over for some other logistical advice that they will have for you. I need a microphone at the judges' table. Please take a microphone there. And some water. We should have some water in that neighborhood. You don't want our judges to get thirsty. CEO RSC, thank you for honoring us with your presence. Thank you for coming through. There are lots of dignitaries in this room. I'll be mentioning them as we go on. Thank you all for taking time to be with us for the 11th edition of the Capital Market University Challenge. Judge Emmanuel, you have the microphone. Could you kindly speak to the contestants? They're ready to hear from you. Share with us the rules that we will adhere to this afternoon. Can someone help with the microphone? Technical team. You're making the judges dismantle the microphone. Why? Has it come on? Not yet. Oh my goodness. Okay. Technical team, I'll need you to work with me. Work with me so that we can run the affair smoothly, yeah? Let me pass on my microphone.
Thank you, Jackie. For the contestant, these are the rules you have to follow. as we are responding to the questions that will be asked. The quiz shall be attempted individually in 5 groups of 5 contestants each. Prior to the actual quiz, all 25 contestants shall pick a random number between 1 and 5 to know where they belong. We have the numbers here. Each contestant shall answer various questions around the capital market business to accumulate as many points as possible. Each question carries 10 marks. Each group of 5 contestants shall attempt 5 questions. The contestant is supposed to respond to the asked question in 10 seconds as they count down. When a tie happens, 2 questions will be given to the contestants to break the tie. The first contestant to press the buzzer will get an opportunity to respond first. The contestant who will answer the question correctly on the first attempt will get 10 marks. The contestant who attempts the question for the second time shall get half of the marks, which is 5 marks. The first performer in each group will compete in the final round so that they can all be ranked from 1 to 5. When a tie happens, the rule number 6, as we said, will be applied. Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel. Is it time for the first group to come forward and pick their numbers? Are we ready for them?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay. Contestants, so do you want all of them there, or I send the first 5?
The first 5.
The first 5, all right. Can we have randomly 5, but from different provinces? 5 contestants from different provinces, please walk to the judges' table and pick numbers. Five contestants from different provinces. Judge Emmanuel, you can confirm if they're from different provinces. Or do you want them to come in provinces? You want Kigali, you want the southern province. How do you want to do it, Emmanuel? For those who are watching us online, thank you so much for joining us. It is a pleasure to have you. We're live on the CMA YouTube channel. Share that link on different platforms so that we have others come on board.
Jackie?
Yes.
Sorry, let's start by calling those 5 contestants from Kigali.
You want to start with Kigali,
yes.
All right, so Kigali province.
Contestants from Kigali.
Sorry, Kigali district. Somebody gave me a sharp eye. I'm like, oops. What did I do there? So Kigali district goes first, then we'll go to Southern province. Students from Kigali district picking their numbers. We do wish you all the best. You already have won. The fact that you have come this far, you're in the finals, that means you are a winner. Congratulations already. If you'd like to open an account at BK, please visit the service desk outside the room. They will help you. And if you want to know more about BK, there's a hashtag, Nanje ni BK. Nanje ni BK. When you go to social media and put in that hashtag, it will bring you all the information about the services that the bank offers and how you can open an account. But for now that you're here, it will be good to have you visit the information desk outside the room and you'll be assisted. Emmanuel?
Contestants from Southern Province. South.
So the Kigali students have their numbers, 1 up to 5. We will have every province produce 5 contestants who will meet at the finals. Later on the program, we will hear an experience from a previous contestant of the CMUC. We'll have a presentation on the journey of the Capital Market University Challenge. We'll be hearing from the coordinator. We'll have an awarding ceremony. We will hear more on how to start an investment journey. We'll also have a talk on what the benefits of investing within the capital market are. You're going to leave this room rich with information.
Contestants from Eastern Province. Eastern Province.
Eastern Province, where's the 5th student? This is the 11th edition of the Capital Market University Challenge. It is a competition organized for students in higher institution of learning to equip them with knowledge on finances, how to make money, how to spend it, how to save it. And as I said earlier, I envy you because during my time when I was your age, I never had the privilege of sitting in a room like this. That means I started learning about money quite late in life. It has its disadvantages. It means most of my prime year, the time when I made some good money, I knew little about money, so I spent my money very badly. I wish I could share some of the stories with you, but I would rather not. Judge Emmanuel? Northern Province? Northern Province? Where is the 5th student? So you're lucky to be in this room at your age. Today, if you start making money, if you're already making money, you're at an advantage. You will not waste your money like some of us did. Yesterday, we had a Twitter space, and there's something that was said by Darius Mukiza from, was it Darius or Magnifique? I think it was Magnifique who said this. You should save before you spend. A lot of us want to spend and then save. And half the time there's nothing to save. So when you make some money, it does not matter the amount. Please save before you spend. Something else that came out clearly last night is that saving is about the habit, not the amount. Save whatever you can, be it 2,000 francs, 5,000 francs, whatever you can save. As long as you make it a habit and you're saving weekly, monthly, or quarterly, you will get somewhere. So it's about you making that a habit and consistently saving. Judge Emmanuel? Western Province? These are our contestants for the quiz competition. I mentioned earlier that the competition runs from March until June. So essays were already done. The essay competition was already done. In fact, inside here, we have some of those that participated in the essay competition. Also with us are past winners. I saw the third runner-up from the competition that we had in 2022. It was the 9th edition. And the stories that are told by the participants are good stories. We had Valentine on the space yesterday. She started investing already at the Rwanda Stock Exchange. When she won her award, she bought shares in Bralirwa. So every time you attend a wedding and you drink anything else apart from soda, but even soda, it will still go to Bralirwa. The way I associate Bralirwa with only, I'm telling you, alcoholic beverages. My bad. Even when you take soda or water, you are contributing to our investor, Valentine. I got to meet her yesterday. There's also one of the past contestants who started a microfinance business. So we have had some good stories. I said more than 10,000 students have benefited from the challenge. Imagine out of those 10,000, some of them are now employing themselves and employing others. That's a good thing.
You can start calling group 1.
Okay.
To come and attempt the questions.
All right. Group 1.
So, Chimimana Jean-Pierre. Chimimana Jean-Pierre, you can come from, he's from Kigali City. Abishuti Emmanuel from Southern Province. Musangamfura Theophile from Eastern Province. Mutabazi Pacific from Northern Province. And Ndaisaba Innocent from Western Province.
Students, we wish you all the best. We do hope that from where you're standing, you can see the screens well. I will do my best to read audibly and eloquently so that even if you cannot see clearly on the screen, at least you will be able to hear the question. Pay attention. We will have multiple choice questions. Once I am done with the last option, that is when you press the buzzer. Do your best not to press the buzzer before I am done with the question. The questions will be displayed and we're ready to kick off. Remember, you have 10 seconds to attempt the question. Question number 1. Question number 1. Which of the following best describes Aguka Fund? A, it's an exchange traded fund. B, it's a collective investment scheme. C, it is a type of bond. D, it is all of the above.
Number 1.
The answer is B.
Correct.
Question number 2. In the event of a company's insolvency, which of the following has priority in receiving payment? A, common shareholders, B, preferred shareholders, C, bondholders, D, the CEO and executive team.
Number 3. You have 10 seconds.
Answer the question. Number 3, you've got 10 seconds.
Answer is D.
Wrong. Number 4. Number 4, you can respond.
Number is D.
Wrong. You can go to the next question.
Okay. We go to the next question. A question is only attempted twice. Remember that. We only have the first one, and then the second person attempts it at the second one. When we get to the second one, the one who attempted the first time does not get a second chance. Okay. Let's go to the next question.
Excuse Jackie?
Yes.
I think the contestant, they should know their numbers so that if you say number 1, you know who is going to respond. Number 2, number 3, and so on.
Do they need to check and confirm?
Yes, they can confirm.
Please confirm your numbers.
Do you know your numbers? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of a money market instrument? A, commercial paper. B, repurchase agreements. C, treasury bills. D, real estate investment trusts.
Number 1.
Number C.
Number 1. What's the answer? Say
Yes.
it loudly. The judges need to hear your answer. Please use the
answer is
microphone.
C.
Wrong.
Contestants, you have to be loud enough.
Yes. Number 3. You want the questions to be projected? There are no questions there.
That's not. Number A.
Wrong. We go to the next question. Please also remember to buzzer before, after the questions. Don't buzzer before they complete the question. When
Judge Emmanuel, can I go to the next question?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Contestants, I hope you heard what the judge said. Only buzz after the question has been read. We go to the next question. That's not the one. All right, our next question is, which of the following describes insider trading? A, trading stocks of a domestic listed company. B, trading stocks based on publicly available information. C, trading stocks based on non-public material information. D, trading stocks of a cross-listed company.
Number 3. You have 10 seconds to respond.
A.
Wrong. Number 4.
B.
Wrong. So we go to the last question for this group.
We go to the last question for this group. Okay. When a securities trader borrows securities from others and sells them at market price, when he or she expects price drop, this is known as A, short selling, B, front running, C, cold call, D, none of the above.
Number 4.
A.
Correct.
Well done, Group 1. Judge Emmanuel, are you dismissing them?
We have a tie between number 1 and 4. Others can go back to their seat.
So we get another question. Okay. Which of the following is not an exchange-traded instrument? A, stocks, B, over-the-counter derivatives, C, bonds, D, futures.
Number 1?
C.
Wrong.
B.
Correct. Number 4, can you come back here? Number 4.
Number 4? Yeah.
Can you come
Well
back
done, Group 1. Let's appreciate Group 1 for successfully concluding their round. For those who are joining us for the first time, you now have an idea of the kind of questions that the students are asked. These questions come from a curriculum that they have already been introduced to. I can see number 4 is a popular person. He has a lot of fans in the room. Wish you well, number 4, as we wish well the entire Group 1. If you're joining us for the first time, from that round, you have an idea of the kind of questions that we ask the contestants, and I assure you they don't come from mass. These are questions that they have encountered, questions they have interacted with, questions whose answers they have, because the curriculum is not strange to them. We will have the other groups come on as soon as our judges are ready. Once again, a big thank you to the sponsors of the 11th edition, Bank of Kigali, BK Capital, and Rwanda Stock Exchange. Thank you for making this event a success. Thank you very much for educating and empowering the next generation on matters finances. If you want to take part on the conversation online, please make sure you use the hashtag UniChallengeRW. Share your thoughts. You can share pictures online. Anything you get to learn today, please do share it. In our presence, I'd love to recognize Mrs. Marie Chantal Nduhungirehe. You saw her earlier, the board vice chair at CMA. We've got board member of Capital Market Authority, Bernard Singh Yuva as well. CEO Tapelo Shole, CEO of Capital Market Authority. We've got Moses Kaijuka, the Director of Capital Markets and Investment Schemes Unit. Clemar Kaita Chire, who's the Acting Chief Executive Officer at EAX, that is East Africa Exchange. We also have Mr. Celestine Robkumba, who's the CEO of Rwanda Stock Exchange. It is a pleasure to have you all with us this afternoon. Thank you for coming to celebrate the 11th edition of the Capital Market University Challenge. It is an annual event taken to students of higher learning, institutions of higher learning, where they are taught money matters, and every year they have a chance to compete with their counterparts from other institutions. Judge Emmanuel, I'm ready for you.
Let's go Group 2, those who picked number 2.
Those who picked number 2, please come forward and pick a stand. Please remember your number. As you can see, they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please memorize your number so that once the judge calls you after you have buzzed, you know it's you. UniChallengeRW is the hashtag that we are using. If you just joined us, welcome to the 11th edition of the University Challenge.
I think we have Majambere Alphonse. Is there? We have Wamukuza Edevani. Is there? Okay.
Please put up your hand.
We have Shema Jean Chrysostom. And Nyiramahingura Betty. And the last one is Igiraneza Christine. So we can go on with the questions.
All right, can we have the question displayed? Welcome, Group 2, and we do wish you the best. Your first question is, which of the following best describes a mutual fund? A pool of funds collected from many investors to invest in securities like stocks and bonds. B, a fund that invests in real estate properties. C, a fund that issues bonds to raise capital. D, a saving account with a fixed interest rate.
Number 2.
Answer is A.
Correct.
We go to the next question. Which of the following describes a blue chip stock? A stock with a high dividend yield. B, a stock from a well-established and financially sound company. C, a stock that is newly listed on the stock exchange. D, please don't play with the buzzer as the question is being read. Okay, I will start from the top. Judges, if you allow me. Can I go through the question again?
Yes.
All right.
You can repeat the question then so that they can follow the rules also.
Which of the following describes a blue chip stock? A stock with a high dividend yield. B, a stock from a well-established and financially sound company. C, a stock that is newly listed on the stock exchange. D, none of the above.
Number 5.
B.
Correct.
Next question. What does a company's PE ratio indicate? A, the company's earning per share. B, the company's ratio of debt to its equity. C, the company's stock price relative to its earnings per share. D, all of the above.
Number 4.
The answer is D.
Wrong. Number 3.
The answer is C.
Correct.
Next question. Not that one. I need the question displayed. You know, I could read it without you displaying, but it's better for it displayed for the contestants to see, in case they cannot hear me clearly. Go to 16. Which of the following describes a secured bond? A AAA rated bond. B, a bond backed by specific assets pledged as collateral. C, a bond that sells at premium. D, all of the above. Please don't press the buzzer before I am done.
Number 1.
B.
Correct. But for the next question, please wait until they read the question.
Next question. Forward contracts cannot trade on securities exchanges because they are customizable, that's A. B, standardized. C, delivery takes place at a future date. D, none of the above.
Number 3.
The answer is the C.
Wrong. Number 1.
A.
Correct. Jackie, this was the last question for this group.
This was the last one, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Number 1 won this.
The number one won
Yes,
from this
yes,
group. All right.
yes.
Congratulations to you all. Group 2. Well done, number 1.
Number 1, can you please come here?
Congratulations to you all. We said earlier, by virtue of you being here, you are a winner. Even if you don't get the coveted prize, you will win in many different ways. The knowledge that you have gained is one that many would wish they could get, but they never had a chance like yours. So even if you're not number 1, just make sure whatever you pick from here, the lessons, you put them into practice, and you will do well. This is preparing you for a bright future, a future where you will spend your money wisely. You will be enlightened on many different ways of investing. Some of us think the moment you get money, the only business that you can get into is starting a cosmetics shop or a bookstore. You start selling hair wigs and pieces. There's another form of investment, and this room is full of people that will tell you, don't invest that money in a shop that is going to sell 1 bag per year. They'll tell you how else you can invest. Judge Emmanuel?
Group 3, you can come to the front.
Yet another team made up of brilliant people. Take your
Ndayambaje
space.
Celestin,
Identify.
go to number 1. Mundier Jean-Claude, number 2. Musare Joseph, number 3. Masengesho Gilbert, number 4. Gwambibi Joel, number 5. We can go on with the questions.
All right, display the questions for us. It's the question after that. Go to question 18.
Jackie,
Yes.
you can even ask those questions with the true or false as responses.
Which
It's okay.
ones?
Those questions to respond with true or false, you can even ask them. I think it's okay.
You think it's okay?
Yes.
The true or false questions?
Yes.
I had other instructions.
Okay.
All right, but if you as a judge thinks it's okay, I will ask them. So should I continue with this or I go back to the true or false question?
You can go back to the true or false question. You can read all the questions as they project on the screen.
Okay. All right. Positive net working capital is when current liabilities exceed current assets. True or false? I had not even finished the question. But I am not the judge. The judge will decide if your answer will be taken.
Number 2.
Number 2, what's your answer?
False.
Wrong. Go to the next question.
Who is making the second attempt? This one was wrong.
No, because it's true and false, so it means the second one should take it, of course.
Okay, so we go to the next question.
Yes.
All right. A type of, which question do I have there? All right. A type of instrument backed by mortgage cash flows is known as instrumental mortgage, B, cash mortgage, C, financial mortgage, D, securitized. Judge Emmanuel, help me deal with that. How do we go about it?
Let's number 3 respond. I think it's okay. Because all of them has pushed on the buzzer. So let's number 3 respond.
The answer is D.
Correct. But next question, please wait until they read the question.
Next question. When a financial crisis in one country or region is transmitted to other regions or countries, this is known as A, concentration, B, bank run, C, contagion, D, all of the above.
Number 5.
B.
Wrong. Number 1.
Answer is A.
Wrong.
We move to the next question.
Yes.
The next question is, negotiable instruments known as certificate of deposits are issued by A, banks, B, fund managers, C, stock exchange, D, business corporations.
Can you reset? Wait, please. Number 5.
The answer is A.
Correct. Are we going to impose some sanctions once they push the buzzer before? Are we going to disqualify you? That's what we are going to do. Once you do it again, then we are going to disqualify you.
If he does it again, huh?
Please wait until they read the question, then you can buzzer.
Okay.
Next question.
Judge Emmanuel, do you want me to read this question or I go to the next one? Okay, I go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. The questions with a multiple choice among the following. All right, let's read the next question. Among the following, there is one of the tools CMA uses to protect investors. The tool is A, setting entry requirements for market intermediaries, B, keeping investors' money, C, running the central securities depository, D, all of the above.
Number 3.
The answer is C.
Wrong. Number 1.
Answer is D.
Wrong. The last question. And this one we are going to disqualify someone, I think. One of the contestants will be disqualified once they push the buzzer before you read the question.
Okay.
We have already completed the questions
Oh, okay.
for this section.
All right. Contestants, well done. You'll take your seats. Judges, who is meant to come to your table?
Wait a bit. Wait.
Okay.
We have a time. Let's tell you. Number 2 and 5, you can stay there. 2 and 5.
Well done, well done.
Number 2 and 5. Who is Joseph? Okay, it's Joseph, not you. Number 2, you can go back to your seat. Thank you.
So it's number 3 and 5.
Sorry for that.
No worries. So we have a question for them, huh? Display the question. What is meant by market liquidity? A, the profitability of trading activities in the market. B, the total volume of assets traded in the market. C, the number of active traders in the market. D, the ability to buy or sell an asset without causing a significant impact on its price.
Number 5.
The answer is D.
Correct. You can go back to your seat. Number 5, you can pass by here.
Okay. Congratulations. Let us appreciate the group. So far, we are doing well. Contestants, we commend your bravery and boldness. Thank you for taking on these questions. Some of them, if I were in your shoes, I would really embarrass myself. Some of the questions are really hard. I'm glad that you're actually, you actually have the guts to attempt them. So well done. Great young minds in the room. We'll go to the next group as soon as the judges are done. I mentioned earlier, Bank of Kigali is one of our sponsors. If you're interested in opening an account with them, please go to the information desk. You will be assisted. Follow Capital Market Authority on different social media platforms, Rwanda Stock Exchange as well, BK Capital, Bank of Kigali, they're all active on social media. So you can follow them on the different platforms to see what products they have for you and advise as well. If you have any questions, some of these people are always readily available online to respond to you. So if you go there with a question, trust me, they will give you an answer. For this evening, our hashtag is UniChallengeRW. This is the 11th edition of the Capital Market University Challenge, a journey that was started by the Capital Market Authority to equip students with finance knowledge, with information and knowledge on how to make money, how to invest and invest wisely, how to spend. There is nowhere where they say don't spend. You definitely are allowed to spend money you've earned for, but how are you spending it? Judge Emmanuel.
Let's go group 4.
Group 4.
Ashimwe Esther. She goes to the number 1.
Ashimwe Esther, number 1.
Datimana Sylvain, number 2. Waishi Mirarin, number 3. Niyonzima Meshak, number 4. Uwiringiyimana Devota, number 5. We can go on.
All right. Can we have the question displayed? Did I see this question? So, did I read this question earlier? Yes, I did. Please go to question number 28. Question 28. Which of the following is a benefit of diversification in an investment portfolio? A, increased potential for high returns. B, reduced overall risk. C, guaranteed positive returns. D, all of the above.
Number one,
The answer is D.
D,
D.
wrong. Number two,
The answer is A.
wrong. We can go to the next question.
Thank you. Let's go to question 31. Which of the following is not typically considered a characteristic of a money market instrument? A, high liquidity. B, short maturity. C, low risk. D, high yield.
Number one,
The answer is D.
correct.
Next question. What is meant by index fund? A fund that invests in a diversified portfolio of stocks. B, a fund designed to track the performance of a specific market index. C, a fund managed actively by fund managers to beat a specific market index. D, all of the above.
Number five,
A.
wrong. Number three,
C.
wrong. Next question.
Next question. What is margin trading? A, buying securities using only personal funds. B, borrowing securities and selling them with the expectation of price drop. C, trading securities on behalf of another investor. D, none of the above.
We are taking a decision if someone buzzer before you read the question, then he will not respond to that question. We go to the next one. Yes? I think now we can buzzer and then you respond to the question. Number 4.
Answer is B.
Correct.
Question 36. What is meant by leverage in the context of investing? A, the practice of spreading investments across various asset classes. B, the practice of borrowing funds to increase the potential return on investment. C, the strategy of buying low and selling high. D, the practice of focusing on long-term investment horizons.
Number 1.
The answer is C.
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 Wrong. Number 4.
Answer is D.
Wrong. So we have tie between 1 and 4. Others,
So
you
you
can
need
go
the
back
rest to
there.
take their seats. Thank you, contestants. Well done. A tie between 1 and 4. Well done, contestants. We wish you all the best.
Please remember to wait until they read the question.
Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic of a growth stock? A, high dividend yield. B, established stable earnings. C, significant potential for capital appreciation. D, low price to earnings ratio.
Number 4.
A.
Wrong. Number 1.
C.
Correct.
Congratulations, Group 4. Well done. As the judges consult each other, this evening we will get to have amazing presentations. We'll hear of the available investment opportunities. You'll get a chance to listen to a previous contestant. They'll share their experience, how to start an investment journey is a conversation that we'll also get into. The benefits of investing within the capital market as well. There's a lot that we're going to hear and learn this afternoon. Yes, Judge Emmanuel.
Let's call the last group on this stage. Tuifukamile Emerance.
Group 5
Ushimimana
members.
Arsene.
If you're in group 5, please just come ahead. The names are being read for you to know where to stand, but you can start making your way here.
Emerance, you go to number 1. Ushimimana Arsene, you go to number 2. Habamahirwe Jean-Pierre, number 3. Irasubiza Venkel, number 4. Chimimana Marthe, number 5.
Group 5, we wish you all the best. Let us display the questions, please. Which of the following is a primary benefit of the exchange trade funds? A, they offer high risk, high reward investment opportunities. B, they require a large minimum investment. C, they provide diversification and can be traded like stocks. D, they pay a fixed interest rate.
Number 2.
The answer is number B.
Wrong. Number 5.
The answer is D.
Wrong. We go to the next question.
Next question, 41. Question 41.
Please remember to buzzer after they complete reading the question.
Question 41, please. In the primary market, zero coupon bonds are A, sold at premium, B, sold at discount, C, indexed to inflation, D, none of the above.
Number 5.
The answer is B.
Correct.
Next question. Other than treasury bonds, another type of bond that was last listed on the Rwanda Stock Exchange is A, corporate bond, B, sustainability-linked bond, C, blue bond, D, none of the above.
Number 5.
The answer is A.
Wrong. Number 2.
The answer is C.
Wrong. We go to the next question.
Next question. Investors with high risk appetite invest mostly in A, unit trusts, B, private equity funds, C, hedge funds, D, none of the above.
At this time, we are going to give the chance to number 5 because number 1 has pressed before. You read the question.
Okay. The answer is C.
Wrong. We go to number 4.
The B. B.
B. Correct.
Let's go to question 46. What is the primary goal of a hedge fund? A, to provide a safe investment with guaranteed returns. B, to achieve high returns through diverse and aggressive investment strategies. C, to manage corporate pension funds. D, to provide loans to small businesses.
Number 4.
The answer is B.
Correct. Next question.
I request that we skip this question because it has been on the screen for a while. So let's go to the next one. What is the function of a market maker? A, to buy and hold securities for long-term investment. B, to facilitate liquidity by buying and selling securities from their own accounts. C, to issue new shares of stock. D, to provide financial advice to investors.
Number 4.
The answer is B.
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 Correct. So this was the last question, and number 4 has won this.
All right. Well done, well done. Number 4, go to the judges' table. Congratulations to you all. Congratulations to all the contestants so far. Thank you so much. Can we have some music play as the judges consult each other, and then we can have the next round of competition? Some music, a little bit of music, and that will also allow our guests time to stretch their legs a little bit. Talk to some of the usher people at the back and they will give you a refill. Yes, thank you. Some music, please.
Kopereke 6 nyana. Sila tedi na pisi te mwana kutacha. Olo, fraza wena untata. Baby le majita ganlata. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, stibane machwale. Vimba kupinga mbendo makwapeni. Ay, jwala ba mapeni mane. Ay, ay, ay. Indi stibane machwale. Vimba kupinga mbendo makwapeni. Ay, jwala ba mapeni. Ole, angala. Bakri, vale, vale. Hungry, follow. Wait, vale. Wait, salam. Wait, salam. Wait, salam. Wait, salam.
The event is done. At the end of the event, there is a dinner. There will be dance and music. Well, music and dance, music, whichever one comes first. We'll have that, but we hope that you're going to utilize this time, talk to the people you're with at the table, make sure you establish contact, become friends, introduce yourself, especially the students. Some of your future employers are in this room. If I were you, I would walk to a table and introduce myself, ask for a business card. You have the confidence to take on the challenge, make sure you brace yourself, have the confidence to go introduce yourself to your future employer. Shortly, our judges will be done with the consultation. We're going to the next round of the quiz competition, which is the final round. So for this round, all the winners from the group level, the group stages, will be facing each other. So group 1 produced a winner, group 2 the same, 3, 4, 5. Those winners are the ones meeting here, and then we will have the day's winner. The winner of the grand prize for the 11th edition of the quiz competition for the Capital Market University Challenge. We have a set of questions prepared for you. That's coming up shortly, as soon as the judges are done. A reminder to save before you spend. Not spend, then you think of saving. Then don't you forget to follow Rwanda Stock Exchange, Capital Market Authority, Bank of Kigali, BK. Follow all of them on the different social media platforms. They regularly share information there. You'll be updated on the different services they have. the products that they have for you. If you have any questions on investment, how do I start? How much money do I need to open an account? They will advise you. If you joined us on the space, I'm sure you remember what Magnifique said yesterday. You need to talk to a stockbroker. It would be nice for you to invest, but even better if you talk to somebody who will guide you. They will tell you what company is listed, which one performs better than the others, what is the current rate. All those questions a stockbroker will answer. The stockbroker will help you manage your account and maximize its potential. And you can buy shares in many companies. There will be many companies listed on the Rwanda Stock Exchange. You don't have to invest in only one. There can be many of them. You can invest in 2 or 3. There are treasury bonds there, corporate bonds as well. The stockbrokers will respond to your questions and any queries that you have. We have an awarding ceremony that is coming up. When we are done with this, and then the judges are done with the tallying, we will get to know who the winners are, and we will have them awarded. But as I said earlier, there are things you need to look forward to. We will have a conversation that I'm sure you're going to love. We'll have a presentation by the Managing Director of BK Capital on how to start an investment journey. We'll have the CEO of RSE talk to us about the benefits of investing within the capital market. We will hear the experience of a former contestant of the University Challenge. We're also going to hear from the coordinator of the Capital Market University Challenge, who will share with us the journey of the CMUC. We are in the 11th edition. What has it taken to get here? How has that journey been? We'll have the coordinator of the University Challenge share that with us. Then we will have a dinner. When all this is done, before we head home, we will officially kick off the weekend with a dinner here at this venue. I'm looking forward to that.
Can we call the winners to come here? We need them here on our...
You need them. Okay, our winners, can you go to the judges' table? If you can just remind them again, Emmanuel, who are they? You can call out the names. Or they already know themselves. They're here. Winners always know themselves. Those are the contestants from different provinces, and Kigali district will be in the final stage of the quiz competition. They will face off. It's a competition that will give us our winner out of the many that participated in the quiz competition. We had the provincial level give us 25 contestants. From the provincial level, we had 25 contestants, 5 from each province and Kigali district. And those are the ones that we have seen in the group stages, where different people were put in different groups. And from those groups, we saw the number ones emerge. They're the ones that will be meeting in the next phase of the competition, where we have a fresh set of questions for them. This is exciting. I love it. There's nothing I love like young people being in a place where they can learn about money, finances. As a media personality, I interact with a lot of people. Most of them, it will be a quick one. It's an interview, 20, 30 minutes, you're done. You have the privilege of spending a lot of time with people from Capital Markets Authority and Rwanda Stock Exchange. Indeed, an opportunity for you to learn a lot. And I do pray that you will be different from your peers because you've had an opportunity to be exposed to something that probably many of them haven't. So indeed, you should be different from the rest of them. You should manage your money well. Nothing as good as learning how to manage money before you start making a lot of it. Because time is coming when you'll make a lot of money. You just want that to find you brilliant. Judge Emmanuel.
I think we can go to the questions now.
All right, let's have the questions.
Sorry for taking
displayed.
too much time.
No worries. I'm only waiting for the question to be displayed. Go to question number 4, please. Question number 4, contestants, remember not to buzz before I am done with the question. You don't want to be disqualified. Question number 4, can we have it displayed? At the end of the ceremony, we will have the awards presented. Going to have certificates presented as well. The winners will get themselves shares. Some people are going to leave this room already being called investor. Investor. We have our sponsor, BK, who's promised to award winners with some good amount of money. That makes me wish I was on the other side, although I am not sure I would win. So maybe I'm just better being on this side. That money is not guaranteed, but it's some very, very good amount. Our judges, let me remind you, in case you walked in after I had already called them forward, we have Alice Iribajiza, we have Judge Rugamba Emmanuel Mutabaruka, and we also have Judge Emmanuel Masantura. Okay, ooh, the question has been displayed. Let's go straight to it. Contestants, please just allow me to finish the question before you buzz. Preference shares have more voting power compared to ordinary shares. True or false?
Number 1.
Number 1, we didn't hear you.
You are saying it through. Wrong. We go to the next question.
Question 9. A stock exchange can also be a listed company. True or false? Hey.
Number 3.
True.
Correct. Next time, remember to wait until they complete reading the question.
Question number 14. Market share is the market value of a company's shares. True or false?
Four.
The answer is true.
False. No. Wrong. Sorry. Wrong. We go to the next question.
Okay. Positive net working capital is when current liabilities exceed current assets. True or false?
Number 4.
The answer is true.
Correct.
Next question. Listed companies can release their final year results without necessarily having them audited by an external entity. True or false?
Number 2.
False.
Correct.
Next question. The interest rate risk is the risk of a bond issuer defaulting on interest payments. True or false?
Number 4.
False.
Correct. And this was the last question?
That was the last one, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, Jackie. I'm told we have to answer all to ask all of the questions because we still
Okay.
have more questions up to like 10 or more.
All
So
right.
Let's ask all of the questions.
So we go to question 34. The question is, banks that arrange for the safekeeping of securities and assets for investors are known as Is that the system or is it the contestants?
The contestants.
Because they're making it hard for me to read the question. Can you disable the buzzers for now? Then we start the questions afresh. Okay. All right. The question is, banks that arrange for the safekeeping of securities and assets for investors are known as custodians. True or false?
Number 4.
True.
Correct.
Next. When a company is liquidated, shareholders can end up receiving nothing. True or false?
Wait, please. Contestants, please wait. We count up 1 up to 3, and then you can push the buzzer. 1, 2, 3. Number 5. Are you saying? Correct.
Next question. Judges, I just need you to cross-check for me. Do you have the question that is displayed on the screen? Judge Emmanuel.
Let me check.
Do you have that question in your booklet?
Yes, we have it.
All right. Okay. I didn't have it in my booklet, so I wanted to Be sure of it. Profits accumulated during a public company's financial year are either reinvested into the company or paid out as dividends to shareholders. True or false?
Wait, please. Wait, please, we have to count. 1, 2, 3. Number 1.
It's true.
Correct.
Next question.
Jackie,
Yes.
can we please talk to you?
Okay. Contestants, we are going to the final phase, the decider of the competition. So I'm inviting you to come forward to the judges' table. Contestants, come to the judges' table. So the contestants, as they get to the decider of the competition, each one of them has picked a number. For the open questions, the contestants will each be asked a different question. We're not giving the same question to all of them. So every one of them has picked a number, and that number they've picked represents the question that they will respond to. Contestants, starting with contestant number 1, please give us the number that you picked. Judges, just hold on. I need the judges to get on board. So Judge Emmanuel, I have explained. I don't know if you want to emphasize.
I think they are going to display to speak aloud the numbers.
The numbers that they have picked.
Yes, they have picked.
Okay.
And
Starting with the first contestant.
And then we go to the respective
questions. Okay. Let's start with you, contestant number 1. What number did you pick?
5.
5. Okay. That means question number 5 will go to the first contestant. Contestant number 2. What number did you pick?
25.
25. Third contestant?
20. 20.
30.
20.
20.
20.
Fourth?
10.
10. And the last contestant?
15.
Yeah, 15.
All right. So our technical crew, we have questions that have been picked by the different contestants. So you will go to question 5, question 10, 15, 20, and 25. And whichever one you display will be read to the respective contestant. They will have to give us the answer. So we start off with question number 5. Contestant number 1, define capital gain.
So
Thank you. Capital gain is the way you earn or you find capital money to invest in your business.
Can you repeat?
Thank you very much. I said capital gain, it's how you get money to invest in your business, to start your business. So, yeah.
You mean it's like raising the money to invest in your business?
Yes.
Okay. Judge Emmanuel, we'll go to the next question.
Yes, please.
All right. Question number 10. Okay, the next contestant. What is a bull? Sorry about that. The one who picked question number 10. Define the term diversification. Contestant that picked number 10, define the term diversification. Contestants, who picked 10?
Number 4.
We need to hear you. Judge Emmanuel, we still have 10 seconds for the attempt, huh? Okay. Define the term diversification.
You can push the button again.
Thank you. Diversification, from my understandings, I think it's a amount of money you get after investing.
Diversification.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the attempt. Let's go to question 15. Contestants, the person who picked question 15, what is a bear market?
Number 5.
Yeah, I think it's a market that trading some product or it has the selling the share to the shareholder. Yeah, and after selling those with the shareholder, they will divide what the income come from the market. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for trying, contestant 5. Let us go to question 20. Question 20. Why are you guys laughing at your friend? Question 20. Whoever picked question 20, what is a merger?
Okay, thank you. A merger is the situation where two companies decided to work together and share the same share the profit and everything in the business.
Thank you.
And last but not least, question 25 for the contestant who picked 25. What is a bull market?
Thank you. Bull market is a condition in a financial market where prices are meant to rise or they are expected to rise. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I think we are done.
Okay.
So let's put together the marks.
All right. Let us appreciate the finalists with a round of applause. Thank you. As the judges do the tallying, I want to invite Valentin Iradukunda, who is a former contestant in the Capital Market University Challenge. Valentin, where are you? I would love to invite Valentin forward to share her experience. It's good to see you, Valentin. As she walks forward, that chick is a shareholder in a very big company in this country. She's investor Valentin. Valentin Iradukunda will share her experience with us.
Hello, everyone. I'm honored to stand in front of you to share with you my journey and the experience that I had through Capital Market University Challenge. I am Valentin Iradukunda, as she said, from the University of Rwanda. I had an opportunity last year to join the Capital Market University Challenge, so that I won. I participated in a essay writing. So I'm here to share with you an experience that I had through Capital Market. First of all, the most significant milestone that I had is to become an investor, a shareholder in a very big company in Rwanda. Now I'm an investor. Dear contestant, do you know when BK Capital sent me an email and said that they are a valued shareholder? I feel happy than that I was told before. They tell them that they are a valued shareholder. Please find the attached audit report. Find the attached an invitation for annual general meeting, and I feel happy. Then I say that, oh my God. The second one, I can tell you in my experience is that it is not for quick gains in investing. And also, it has helped me in think ahead and plan for my future, so that I know today that I can invest, I can gain some interest through savings and investing through capital market. I want to share with you that you can invest, you can become a shareholder with your 5,000 Rwandan francs only. You can become a shareholder. There's rumors that to become a shareholder, you want to be you have more money. No, it is more than money. Like 5,000 only, 5,000 Rwandan francs. You can become a shareholder. You can become an investor through capital market. As I conclude, I want to give you a message, dear gentlemen and ladies, that you are here. Save today, not tomorrow. The right time to save is now. It is not tomorrow. And the last one that I have to tell you is that don't plan to consume before you save. There is a formula that we have learned in economics, that saving is an income minus consumption. I feel like this formula is, I feel you can first save and you consume, not consume before you save. So as I conclude, thank you, the management of capital market, that you have managed to organize this capital market university challenge. It is the big opportunity that you created for us as young ladies and gentlemen, so that I'm happy to become an investor and to think ahead and to plan for my future through the capital market. And thank you, all of you, for listening. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Let us appreciate Valentin. Contestants that are in the room today, one of you will be making the speech next year when we mark the 12th edition, all right? Any one of you. So you've seen what Valentin has shared. She's elated every time they invite her for those meetings and call her their valued shareholder. I know that feeling. A few years ago, I also walked to Rwanda Stock Exchange, and I did what I was supposed to have done many years before, but at least I started the journey. So it's a good feeling whenever you get that message. I would love to invite the coordinator of the Capital Market University Challenge. Our good friend Magnifique is somebody that has consistently worked hard to see the challenge succeed. He will share with us the journey of the challenge as we mark the 11th edition. Let's appreciate Magnifique as he comes forward. You guys, louder than that. Hey, that's very weak. This man here is a very important man. He deserves the loudest applause.
Thank you, Jackie, for this opportunity. He proposed that I can move down from the stage, so thank you. Vice Chair, Capital Market Authority, Board Members, Capital Market Authority, CEO, Capital Market Authority, CEO, Stock Exchange, MD, BK Capital, the Acting CEO, EX, all protocols observed. Dear student, it's a pleasure to stand in front of you this afternoon, and we've been planning this particular event since March, so it was a very long journey, and we are seeing the fruit of the CMA's investment and the whole market. Basically, you are experiencing how the challenge is conducted. We are testing the knowledge of our dear students to know how they relate with the capital market, and it's a journey. If you can look back 5 years ago, it was not this case. The most important thing, the challenge was automated. Before, it was a physical one. We used to go up country, and back in 2020, during the COVID period, we started automating this challenge. Basically, we had over 760 contestants from 36 universities from across the country. And we're not targeting only those in finance, accounting, or economics. Here, we have students who pursue law, journalism, and social studies. So it's open to all students. And we are still moving forward. Next year, it will be bigger and better. Everything was shared by our vice chair of the board of CMA. Mine is simple. Let me share with you 3 stories from 3 locations. This program had attracted over 11,000 students almost 11 years ago. And we have 3 important stories I want to share with you this evening. One, we had a group from the University of Rwanda, Huye campus. Back in 2018, they won this particular challenge, and they started a business for stationery. And yesterday, I called one of the former contestants. That business is still running. So that's the impact of this particular competition, whereby students, they go through the competition, but at the end of the day, they learned how to save, how to invest, how to create business. And the most important thing for this challenge, at the end of this event, we are not giving you cash. We are giving you shares, we are giving you bond. So you'll be able to own shares in these big companies. You'll be owning bond. And particularly this time, we would advise you at least to lock your award for 1 year. And that's the uniqueness for this particular competition. We have seen in the past editions whereby our winners, right after the challenge, they went through stockbrokers and sell their award, either shares, unit, or bond. So this time, we would advise you to lock those awards at least for 1 year. The second story is from the University of Rwanda, Busogo campus, based in the Northern Province. We had also winners back in 2020. That time, they started an agribusiness company, and that company is still running. They started farming chili. So they started agriculture. Then after going through this particular challenge, they started the agribusiness. That's the importance of this particular competition. You go through a set of competition. You have seen that is so stressful. It's not easy to go through this competition. But at the end of the day, our dear winners will be able to create jobs. Will be able to impact other people's lives. 3, it's a very amazing story. Nearby here at Gisozi, we have a microfinance called CIC Microfinance. The founders of this particular microfinance, they went through this particular challenge almost 9 years ago. That time, they learned about saving and investment, and they had a goal to save at least 100 francs per day. And as we speak now, they own a microfinance business here, and they are seeking for a license for a commercial bank. I think 2-3 years ago, I've heard they have 300 million as a capital. It's a fruit from this particular competition. And I would urge our dear contestants, please, your money, invest them, I'm sure you will get more fruit in the future. Last night, together with Jackie, we had a very great conversation on X. We had a Twitter space. And one follower, Joshua, he asked this question. As Capital Market Authority and the whole capital market industry, we have this particular competition targeting university students. He asked, how about those in high school? And I responded him last Saturday. I attended an event where BK Foundation partnered with iDebate Rwanda, and they started an initiative called Money Makeover Challenge. It's a kind of this challenge, but they do target high school. For our case, we target those in university. But iDebate and the BK Foundation had started this initiative to nurture those in high school to do what you did here in this competition. And it's a continuity. From high school, from Money Makeover Challenge, you go here to Capital Market University Challenge. So it's a journey. And as we are helping our dear young people to embrace the saving culture, please be our ambassadors. 2 days ago, in this room, there was a report that was released by Central Bank, Ministry of Finance, and Access to Finance Rwanda, whereby they released this report that young people from 14 to 16, they are yet to embrace the savings culture. And as a result, the Money Makeover Challenge and the Capital Market University Challenge will be instilling the culture of saving and investment among our youth population. So let's keep working together with our partners. You are doing an amazing work. And as we grow, as we impact our society, let's keep our hands together. I'm sure 3-5 years from now, we'll be having more young people joining the stock exchange to buy bond and shares. And as I close, I really thank you for all your support, for coming here. Tonight is a celebration. Let's support our dear contestant, and I'm sure everything will be good. Thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you very much, Magnifique. Judges, are you ready? We still have a few more speeches, but if you're ready, we can go on with you, then get the speeches later. Is it on?
We have got Thai also.
All right. So how do we do this?
Venkel and Alphonse Majambere.
You want them to come forward?
So this is a Thai, yes.
Okay.
They have to come forward so that you can give them another question.
All right. Read the names again.
Venkel, Irasubiza, and Alphonse Majambere.
Are they picking numbers like they did last time? Judge Emmanuel? Do you want to identify the questions so they come there and pick the numbers? We ask open questions. What do you think?
No, we are going to see the questions that they did not respond.
Oh, okay.
And then let's display question number 2 and question number 6.
All right. Question number 2 and question number 6. Can we start by displaying question number 2? Judge Emmanuel, which one of the two contestants is taking which question? So,
Any of them. So
Any of
they are
you?
going to buzz and then we choose one of them.
All right. In the event of a company's insolvency, which of the following has priority in receiving payment? A, common shareholders. B, preferred shareholders. C, bondholders. D, the CEO and executive team.
Number 5. Wrong. Number 1.
A.
Wrong. Let's go to question number 6.
Which of the following describes insider trading? A, trading stocks of a domestic listed company. B, trading stocks based on publicly available information. C, trading stocks based on non-public material information. D, trading stocks of a cross-listed company.
Number 1.
A.
Wrong. Correct. You can go back to your seat.
Well done, contestants. Judges, how do we proceed? Do you need more time for consultations or are we good? All right.
5 minutes on.
5 minutes, okay. In these 5 minutes, what do I do with those 5 minutes? It's too early to make people dance. Huh? Who wants to tell me what to do with the 5 minutes? Huh? Wonderful. I love people like you.
Thank you so much. As you can see, everyone is wearing a t-shirt where it's written Nanjini Baker. Can you have a minute with Nanjini Baker? Have a minute with Nanjini Baker. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, contestants. My name is Chantal Mukundene. I am Nanjini Baker, representative from Bank of Kigali. Do you know Nanjini Baker? Nanjini Baker bivuze iki? Does anyone know Nanjini Baker hashtag? Turifuza kubaka umuryango w'abanyarwanda wose ugizwe n'abantu bose bakoresha Baker. Nanjye ni Baker. Ninde ufite konti muri Baker? Ninde ufite konti muri Baker? Nazamura akaboko cyane. Ndabona tukiri bake. Turi hano kugira ngo twubake umuryango witwa Nanjye ni Baker. Ntacyo bisaba, nta kiguzi n'ubushake. Nukuzana indangamuntu yawe tukagufotora ugatahana konti kugira ngo ubone uko ugure shares, bonds n'ibindi byose. Ninde uri ready to have an account with us? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Dufite ibihembo hano inyuma. Who is ready? We have time for this. Let's continue with what is supposed to be done. We will have each and everyone who is willing to have an account with us after, maybe during the dinner. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I know, that was good. Thank you. Who else? Nanjini Baker, who else wants to tell us something? 1 minute. Who wants to market their business? Former contestants. Investors, who wants to... Guys, do you know how much advertising costs? Even whether it's TV, radio, or a digital Abdul Kam, or a digital influencer, it costs a lot of money. So when you have an audience like this and somebody asks who wants to market their business, you run for the microphone. This one, I suspected you would. I know what he does at events.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I wanted to advertise, but I wanted to do it in the reverse way. How many people have account on Umurava platform? By the way, Umurava platform connects you guys with your skills at your level, and they link you with everyone in Africa so that you can have a side gig. Now it's interesting, you are in universities doing software engineering, doing accounting, and you don't have Umurava account right now. So again, another question. It's my friend's company, so I saw university students here. I was interested to see. Okay, how many people are doing LX programs like software engineering? Okay, maybe we need to talk later.
Thank you very much, Abdul. We will give him more time next time because the judges have informed me they're ready. Judges?
So thank you. Now we have got the winner. So let's start by the fifth one. Gwambibi Joel has got 17. Alphonse Majambere has got 25. Venke Irasubiza, 25, plus 1 because he got this one to break the tie, which is 26. Easter Irasubiza has got 30. And then the winner is Chimimana Jean-Pierre with 35. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the candidates, the contestants. Congratulations to you. I want to invite Director, I hope the team with the plaques and certificates are ready. I want you to come forward with the award for the fifth contestant. We'll start with the fifth contestant and get to the number one contestant. The fifth contestant, if you could, Judge Emmanuel, if you could read for us the name again. The number 5.
Number 5?
Yes.
Is it Wambibi Joel?
Okay, Joel, come forward. As Joel comes forward, I'm inviting Director Furaha Charles to come and award Joel his gift. Joel, just stand somewhere there. There, it's okay. Yeah, there. There, Joel. Our Director Furaha Charles will award the fifth winner. Congratulations. You will pose for a picture. Congratulations, Joel. You've done well. Every contestant in the room is a winner. Number 4, Emmanuel.
Number 4 is Alphonse Majambere.
Alphonse, as he comes forward. Director Bernard, could you please join us forward and award the fourth winner? Congratulations to you. You'll receive your award and pose for a picture. Thank you. Our number 3.
Venker Irasubiza.
As Irasubiza comes forward, I'm inviting CEO Celestin to award the third winner. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. You received the award. You have done well. Our second winner.
Esther.
Esther, come forward. And I'm inviting Capital Market Authority CEO to award the second winner. Congratulations, Esther. Well done, well done. The only lady so far. Congratulations, Esther. You've done well. Thank you for representing. Thank you very much. I'm inviting the Vice Chairperson, Chantal, to award the top winner. Emmanuel, can you call the top winner for us?
So the top winner is Chimimana Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Pierre. Yes, congratulations, Javier. Go where everyone else is going. You're getting your award from our vice chairperson. Congratulations, Javier. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you very much. I would love us to appreciate the judges. Judges, you have done a fantastic job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I will invite you to take back your seats. You can leave the high table. Thank you for the amazing job. Thank you for giving us the day's winners. The next awarding ceremony is to recognize the partners that made this possible. As the judges take their seats, we want to say thank you in a special way to partners that made this possible. I'm inviting CEO Tapelo of Capital Market Authority forward. CEO Tapelo will present an award to Rwanda Stock Exchange. Kindly, yes, CEO Tapelo, just there. Then we'll have Rwanda Stock Exchange join you to receive the recognition gift. CEO Celestin, thank you for your support. Thank you for committing to educating and empowering the young people. We say thank you for making this event possible. Thank you. The Vice Chair, Chantal, I'm inviting you forward to present an award to BK Capital. Another great partner of the Capital Market University Challenge, represented by the Managing Director, Siongo Kisoso. Thank you. Thank you for making this possible. I'm told BK has a gift. Did I mention it earlier? Yes, I did. They have a special gift for our winners. We'll get to know more about that gift. Thank you so much, BK. And then Director Bernard, could you please come forward and help us appreciate Bank of Kigali? BK, who is receiving the recognition award. Chantal, I think you should. Director Bernard, you can find a place there. I think the camera people would love you to move slightly to the left. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. We still have more certificates to award. I would love the acting CEO at EAX, Clement, to come forward and present awards to our judges. Clement, thank you. The judges, you will come one by one, receive the certificates and remain there so that when we are done, we take a group photo. Let us start off with Judge Alice. Let us appreciate Judge Alice. Clement will award the certificate, then Judge Alice will remain there so that when they're done, we get a group photo of Clement and the judges. Thank you. And then the next judge is Emmanuel Masantura. Judge Alice, you will remain, yes, and be joined by the two Emmanuels. Then we get a group photo of the judges and Clement. Okay, Clement receives his certificate. Thank you for supporting Capital Market University Challenge year in, year out. It is always a pleasure to have you here with us. And last but not least, our lead judge, Rugamba Emmanuel, coming forward to receive his certificate. Let's appreciate the judges. Thank you very much. And thank you, Clement, for overseeing that. Yeah. Oh, then the judges alone. A group out of the judges alone. Okay. I hope, Clement, you've already taken the one with Clement as part of it. Photo guys, did you? Oh, Clement, please. We need you in the photo. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Let's appreciate the judges. And let us appreciate all the winners. Stronger than that for the winners. Let us appreciate our partners. Thank you very much. As you do that, I would love to invite Mr. Siongo Kisoso, the Managing Director at BK Capital, to talk to us about starting an investment journey. Good to see you, Siongo, and thank you so much for supporting the Capital Market University Challenge.
Vice Chair of CMA, Board of Directors of CMA, CMA CEO, RSC CEO, distinguished guests, esteemed judges, valued investor, wherever you are, participants, and all guests today. Good afternoon. Nanje Nibeka. I also hope Nawe Nibeka. So I'm Siongo Kisoso. I'm the Managing Director of BK Capital. BK Capital is a leading investment bank and fund manager, a wholly owned company of BK Group PLC, one of the listed companies on the Rwanda Stock Exchange and a leading financial services group here in Rwanda. We are also proud sponsors of the event today, together with Bank of Kigali and RSC. BK Capital was established in 2018 really to enhance the financial well-being of Rwandans by providing various investing and alternative financing options. Today, it's with great pride and joy that I stand in front of you to celebrate the conclusion of this remarkable event by CMA. Today, we celebrate all those who have excelled, and in addition, we celebrate those who participated for the enthusiasm and curiosity that all brought us together to this very exciting event. I congratulate every one of you. This is a big step towards understanding the world of capital markets, and you should all be immensely proud of yourselves. As we gather here today, I'll share a few nuggets that could assist you as you begin your journey into investing. For certain, participating in such events is a big step in the right direction. I sometimes get asked, what's the highest returning investment? I think it's a simple question. I think the highest returning investment is an investment in knowledge. I don't know whether that surprised you, but in the world of investments, things change quite a bit. It's fast-paced, so you have to stay abreast with the latest news, trends, instruments, and you'd be surprised, what some of the greatest investors have to say about investing in knowledge. So I'm reading a book at the moment, a book that is an autobiography of the CEO of JP Morgan. It's called The House of Damon. And at some point in 1998, he stepped down as the CEO of JP Morgan, of Citigroup. And he talks a little bit about his time when he was on leave. And it surprised me how much time even someone as busy as, the CEO of Citigroup would spend on building knowledge. So when he was on leave, he talks about reading the newspaper for 3 hours as opposed to reading it for an hour and a half when he was the CEO of Citigroup. And when he went on a 4-month vacation, he went to the library and bought 30 books. Really, as one of the best investors out there, I think some of the key things you can take away is investing in yourself is really an important step, and a step that you should continuously take as you begin investing. I think the second consideration is how technology has progressed significantly and can be used to improve your investing journey. There are a number of applications where you can track your budget, where you can track your investments. There are applications, websites, where you can access knowledge on how to invest. There are applications where you can simulate, your strategies on investments. A lot of this was not available years ago. You're getting into a time when, most of these are free or very easily accessible. I encourage you to take advantage of technology. The third consideration or nugget I would share today is, before you begin investing, ask yourself, why do I want to invest? Because that will really determine a suitable investment strategy for yourself. So if you're investing for your master's, for example, which is a short-term goal, you should be investing in low-risk investments that are easily accessible and do not have a lot of volatility in price, if any. And at BK Capital, we have unit trust products that actually cater to such needs. If you're investing more long-term, you can take higher risks, and we have a number of instruments as well that look into this. But I think as you begin investing, try and ensure that your investing strategy, or rather your choice of security or asset, matches what you intended to meet in the future. And then lastly, one of the most powerful tools in investing is time. With time, you can benefit from the power of compounding. There's a saying in investments that the best time to have started investing is yesterday. So as the winner of last year's challenge came up here, I take note of something she mentioned, that you can start with very small amounts, because these small amounts start gaining dividends, interest. Those dividends, that interest, can gain their own dividends, and over time you can quickly amass a significant amount of wealth. Don't underestimate the power of starting to invest now, of making it a habit, and being regular at it. Become a valued investor. In terms of how, when, in terms of what to think about when it comes to investing, there's an endless list of advice that I and many of the people in this room can share with you. So for today, I share those 4. I hold them quite closely to my investment philosophy, and I hope that some of the message that I've shared can become part of your own investing philosophy. I think as I close, I would say we should really think of the capital markets as a pathway to building long-term wealth, to happy retirement, lifetime income, and prosperity for you, for your family, and for the country. In conclusion, The journey of investing is a lifelong endeavor that can really enhance your financial well-being and provide you with significant opportunities for growth. The knowledge and skills you have developed through the Capital Market University Challenge will set you up on a promising path. And I thank the CMA for having the 11th version of this particular event. Once again, I congratulate all participants. Your hard work and commitment has been commendable, and I have no doubt that you all have bright futures ahead of you. And in terms of knowledge, I have one more thing to say. Some of the questions I was reading up there is the kind of content you'd find on CFA Level 1 and CISI exams. So if you're thinking of a future in the world of capital markets, which is quite rewarding, and a number of people here, judges, sponsors, some participants who work in the capital markets can support me in this. I think some of these qualifications would be a good way to get you there. So thank you to the organizers. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's appreciate Thiongo once again. Please make use of technology. Let's make use of technology. You can have that saving automated. You can find apps that will make it easy for you to save. You'll be constantly reminded. Thank you for that. And he emphasizes the need for you to start saving, that the best time to start saving was yesterday. You have today, you have right now. Take the right decision and start saving. We will now hear of the benefits of investing within the capital market, and for that I'm inviting forward CEO of Rwanda Stock Exchange, Celestine Rwabukumba. He will share with us benefits of investing within the capital market.
Thank you. Good evening. Now I'm going to attend the I'll try to change a bit. I think I want to speak in Kinyarwanda. I think you will understand better. Nkuko topic yanje bayivuze bansabye kuvuga ku byiza ibyiza bituruka mu gushora imari mu isoko ry'imari n'imigabane, the benefits of investing in the stock market. Hari ntabwo ndivuge byinshi ariko navuga ibintu nka bitanu gusa. The first thing nibyo bita icyo twaherewe, isoko ry'imari n'imigabane rishirirwaho kugira ngo dushaka ubushobozi bwo gushora mu masosiyete mu bukungu bw'igihugu, ubushobozi burambye igihe kirekire, saving for a long time, amafaranga abashe kuyaza mu isoko ry'imari n'imigabane. So iyo nako mu masosiyete asanzwe, so ni icyo kintu cya mbere. So iyo abantu bafashe amafaranga yabo bakayashora mu isoko ry'imari n'imigabane, ntabwo ari ibipapuro, baba bashyize amafaranga muri za companies abana babanjije bakoze. Mwumvise ko wari wakoze bank, yari group y'abanyeshuri muri ELK. They've done a bank already now. They have a microfinance. They started by saving igiceri kimwe kijana per day. On the lunch day, I remember twagiye kuri study ya ELK. Those students, they were very ambitious. They had gone through the capital market university challenge, one of the first ones. Havamo umwe mu barida baba baravuga ati aratwa approaching, what can we do? Turaba pitching nkuko ngutuvuga tuti ikintu cya mbere umuntu akora mu isoko ry'imari n'imigabane ni saving. Igiceri cyawe n'icyundi n'icya mugenzi we iyo ugishyize hamwe biba byinshi bikaba byabyara umusaruro. Rwose mubikoze nka investment club right now uko muri ahangaha muri wenda abanyeshuri 100 mugashyiramo amafaranga yazabafasha. Ufite ibitekerezo byo kuinnovating no kugira gute biramufasha. Impamvu ya mbere rero iki akamaro ka mbere ko gushora imari mu isoko ry'imari n'imigabane, the saving ubwayo, amafaranga ufasha ugashyira mu isoko ntabwo ugira tentation yo kuyarya kubera ko wayashize wayashoye mu byo wayishoyemo. uba wayashyize ku isoko ry'imari n'imigabane ukaba wayashoye nyine, ntabwo ari amafaranga kuri mu mufuka. Urabizi ko iyo weekend igeze ufite 10,000 mu mufuka, ikintu cya mbere utekereza nawe ujya kwicara ngo uyarye, ariko washoyemo ntabwo uzayata. Icya kabiri rero kirimo aho ngaho, hari umwe mu bagenzi banyu wabivuzeho, wa mukobwa ntabwo nibuka izina rye mu batsinze nawe. Icya kabiri ni ibintu bita income, ni ukuvuga ngo ikivamo. Buriya amasosiyete mubona, mwahoze mubona abantu ba Beka murareba ukuntu basana neza, bahembwa neza, bakorera sosiyete ikorera ibifaranga byinshi kunguka, nabo bashyiramo amafaranga. Ikintu cya mbere uguze imigabane, iyo umwaka urangiye, Bank of Kigali uyu munsi, how much did you make this year? 70 billion, right? Bungutse miliyari 70 z'amafaranga y'u Rwanda. Izo miliyari 70 zishobora kuvamo andi mabanke angahe Berena? 3 nibura amabanke mashya 0 kilometre. Abyumvise, amabanke 3 mu nyungu y'umwaka umwe ya Beka. Beka yaje ku isoko hano mu Rwanda muri 2011 iza kulistinga, bamaze kurezinga amafaranga ageze kuri miliyari 100 muri iri soko, ariko abanyamigabane bashoyemo amafaranga. Icyo giza ku isoko yari ifite agaciro ka hafi miliyoni 87 z'amadolari. Uyu munsi agaciro kayo ku isoko ni miliyari, ni hagati ya miliyari 350 na 400. Icyo gihe baza ku isoko Banki ya Kigali yari ifite asset under management miliyoni 400 z'amadolari roughly aho ngaho. Uyu munsi amafaranga wa managinga Banki ya Kigali, niyo mpamvu ubona basa neza, ba managinga amafaranga arenga miliyari n'imisago y'amadolari. Ndavuga amadolari ma miliyari tuvuga, byose byarikubye kugeza uyu munsi. Savediri ko nuvuga niba waragiye mu icyo gihe buri mwaka bagabana inyungu. Niba ugiye muri ukagura ibyo twita government bonds, ya impapuro mpeshamwenda, duhora tubona bazitanga buri kwezi bazishyira ku isoko, imwe igura 100,000, ariko ugiye muri collective investment scheme nka Aguka fund, ya imwe muri mu byo mu mafund Beka icuruza, cyangwa se Aranite nabo bagiye babifite. Izo ngizo ushobora no kwinjiramo ku mafaranga 2,000. Iyo umwaka urangiye rero, b'abanyamigabane twavuganaga, mwumvise wa mwana w'umukobwa yanashimishije ko bamutuye muri Assemblée Générale. Buri mwaka ni itegeko biranditse, sosiyete iri ku isoko iyo ari yo yose irahura igatanga raporo ku banyamuryango yayo cyangwa se ku bashareholder bayo. Icyo gihe mugabana kuri za dividende ku mafaranga babungutse uwo mwaka. Ibyo nibyo bita income ivamo, cyangwa se mukajya mubona buri mezi 6 hari igihe impapuro mpeshamwenda zitanga amafaranga y'inyungu buri mwaka, nako buri mwaka biraba. Ibyo byose iyo ni inyungu ya kabiri. Iya gatatu nibyo twita capital gain. Niba waraguze sosiyete nka Bralirwa iza ku isoko kera, nimwe mu zigeze zizamuka, na Banki ya Kigali yatangiye iri ku mafaranga 100, ubu iri kuri 340 ingahe, ntupfa kuyibona uko yiboneye. Ubwo ngo sosiyete bari ku byinshuro 3. Uguze ku mafaranga 100, umugabane wazamuka ukajya ku mafaranga 200, icyo gihe ukagurisha uba wungutse, wunguka muri ubwo buryo. Uburyo rero bwa gatatu bundi, ushobora gutanga imigabane yawe nk'ingwate muri banki, utanze inzu yawe niba warayiguze cyangwa ibyo waba ufite byose, cyangwa se ukaba waraga amafaranga cyangwa se imigabane uba ufite waraguze mu masosiyete atandukanye, cyangwa za mpapuro mpeshamwenda, cyangwa ukayiraga umwana wawe. Muri iki gihe hari ibintu bigezweho, ngewe ubwanjye njya mbikora particularly mu makwe, muri za bateme, aho kugira ngo nk'umuntu muzanire umuntu keke cyangwa muzanire inkweto, ntanga imigabane. Kenshi rwose turabikora, kenshi twabigize nk'umuco. Ushobora kugura umugabane nk'uko abantu bamenyereye gutanga inka. Twe nta nka wenda dufite, ubutaka bwabaye bukeya wenda, ariko iyo ufite imigabane nayo ishobora kugira gute, ushobora kuyitangaho nka kado. Umuzi ko umugabane umwe, what's the cheapest share price now today ni I&M Bank, igura amafaranga 45 ku mugabane umwe. 4,500 ushobora kugura imigabane 100 ya I&M Bank, nayo yunguka amamiliyari n'amamiliyari. Za Bralirwa zunguka miliyari 70 ingahe. Ejo bundi bose bazabagabana za dividende twavugaga. So ubwo rero urumva ya makado mujya mutanga ibintu bimwe na bimwe muzibike n'imigabane, abantu batangire kujya babigiraho, babimenyera ko ibi bintu bishoboka. Icyanyuma, imigabane ushobora no kuyikoresha mu kugura indi migabane. Nk'ubu ngubu hari ikibazo bigeze kubaza ngo mergers and acquisition. Hari ikibazo bigeze kubaza hariya cy'amasosiyete yihuza bya merger. Hari igihe buriya nka sosiyete iyo ari nini ishaka kugura intoya, iyi migabane wo kugira ngo ikoreshe nk'amafaranga. Nawe rero mwishyize hamwe mushobora kugera kuri ibyo bintu kera. Icyanyuma nagira ngo ndangirizeho, uretse gusevinga isoko ry'imari n'imigabane, uretse gushyiramo amafaranga, ushobora no kuyavanamo. Nawe ufite ibitekerezo byiza ushobora kubibyaza umusaruro. Buri igitekerezo kiruta amafaranga. Aba bakire bose mubona ku isi bagiye batangira gutya, batangiriye muri za saro hantu. Uwo bita Jack Ma yari abaga muri metero kare nk'eshanu, ari umuprofeseri muri university, yari umwarimu uzi ko barimo bahembwa make, ariko azana igitekerezo kiza kuvamo cya kintu bita ngo Alibaba. Niwe mushinwa wigeze akira ku isi. Uyu munsi company iri ku isoko. Namwe rero nimwitinye n'ufite ibitekerezo bizima, iri soko ryabafasha mukarikoreramo. Niyo mpamvu tuba tujya muri expose muri Capital Market University Challenge. Mutangire mugire ubwo bumenyi. Mwabonye ko hari abenshi byagiriye akamaro. Namwe rero nimwitinye, harimo na za profession nyinshi zishobora kuva muri iyi industry. Ubwo rero reka ndangiriza mpinira ahangaha. Ndumva hari ikintu baduteganyirije mu kanya, kandi hari n'abandi bakivuga nyuma yanjye. Murakoze.
Murakoze nawe, CEO Celeste. Thank you very much. And thanks for choosing to make your speech in Kinyarwanda. That was quite relieving. Thank you. I hope the next speaker will also give it a shot. CEO, will you? Please, I'm inviting you forward. Let us hear all the Kinyarwanda you have learned in the last few days. Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO of Capital Market Authority.
Marakoze. Good evening. Let me take this opportunity to recognize the presence of our board members, and also our sponsors, esteemed market players also, representatives from universities and institutions of higher learning, contestants and winners of the 11th edition of Capital Markets. I've got a very short and sweet duty to do, to give closing remarks, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I know I'm standing between you and a very important time. I think, let me take the opportunity to start by thanking the CMA staff by working very hard to put this together. And I think we should give them a huge round of applause. The initiative really is framed to empower students from universities and institutions of higher learning across Rwanda, and it plays a very crucial role in nurturing future investors and industry professions. And therefore, I think it will ultimately lead to the growth and sustainability of the capital markets in Rwanda. It also instills a culture of saving and investment among students, as well as their life beyond the student life. One of the things that I think is very important is that the development of the human capital is very crucial, especially that, financial literacy and capital markets are a very specialized type of fields. But, in everyday lives, we deal with money, we deal with investments, we deal with wealth creation, and we also deal with savings. But today, I think it's important that we celebrate the outstanding achievements of the winners at the national level of this year's University Challenge. We also want to congratulate each one of you and really advocate for the development of the capital markets in Rwanda. Before I conclude my speech, I need to pay the bills by thanking our sponsors, Bank of Kigali, BK Capital, and the Stock Exchange of Rwanda for their dedication in organizing and sponsoring yet another successful Capital Markets University Challenge. Let's give them a round of applause to thank them. It's actually good that I opened my account at BK. With those few remarks, ladies and gentlemen, let me take the opportunity to also thank the Master of Ceremony or the Director of Ceremony for directing it so sweetly, and all the other participants who took time and opportunity to arrange this. With those few remarks, Marakoze.
Murakoze nawe. So the BK team, as I said earlier, I have been informed they have a cash gift that they would love to present to our winner. The BK team, I would love you to come forward. Then I will call our winner. Somebody has the dummy check somewhere. Could you please come forward? The amount is a secret. You will only see it once it's been displayed. So, is that the whole, are you all coming forward? Please, Siongo, you have to. You're BK. I think Chantal, Nanje ni BK. Do you want to join our MD? As you present the check to the winner, Jean-Pierre. Magnifique, how can we help you? So we have Jean-Pierre. All the winners there. All right, I have been told all the 5 should go forward. Can we see all the 5 winners join our team from BK? The day's winners: Joel Masiambere, Irasubiza, Ashimwe, and Jean-Pierre. Congratulations to you all. You're going to be presented with wonderful gifts. Jerome, I would love you to, if you can come this side and help Mr. Magnifique. Kindly. We're soon coming to the end of the program, and after that we will go enjoy a sumptuous meal that has been prepared for us. We want to say a big thank you to our sponsors, Rwanda Stock Exchange, BK Capital, BK. I can see the first check has been given to Jean-Pierre. All right, the person who receives the check will step forward with both Chantal and MD Siongo. Okay, that's the first photo. All right, Jean-Pierre, you can step back. Then we have the second, the way this is being done. You should wait until, can you wait until the second picture has been taken? Oh, we're still taking the picture of the winner. Oh, goodness. We should have taken it off already. Okay, the second person will take her position in the middle of the BK team. All right. You will all get an opportunity to have a photo taken of you and the winner and your check. This is 500,000 courtesy of Bank of Kigali, our sponsors for the 11th edition. Thank you so much. Esther, the only female, thank you and congratulations. I guess you can, yeah, Esther, you can sit, yeah. Those that have taken pictures can sit. After this, we're going to take a group photo. After this, we will take a group photo, all the contestants, plus the CEOs and the directors present. That's 500,000 for all the winners. Our 5 winners for today. 5 winners from the CMUC quiz competition. Joel, Alphonse, Irasubiza, Esther, and Jean-Pierre. Thank you. The last item on the agenda, I will request MD Siongo and Chantal to remain on stage, and we'll be joined by Capital Market Authority CEO, the other CEOs present, and the directors. You will be joined by all the contestants. Contestants, all of you, all the 25 contestants, come forward for a group photo before we can break off and go have dinner. So all the CEOs present, our directors, and the contestants, please come. This is the last thing we're doing before we can go out to eat and drink. The judges, please. How could I forget the judges? Come forward. The judges. Jerome, you can also come. Yes. The CMA team. Yeah, all of you. CMA team, we're taking one group photo. Anifika, I see you. Hey, contestants, some of you can come up here. Contestants, come up. Yeah. There's a lot of space here. Let's see. Camera crew, feel free to arrange them the way you want. Show them where you want them to stand. We don't want anyone's head to be chopped off. Feel free to arrange them. You will go online, find the hashtag UniChallengeRW. Let's keep the conversation going. If there is anyone that was supposed to be here, they're not here, share with them what transpired. Let us keep talking. Let us make sure as many students in our universities embark on this investment journey. You heard from Siongo. The capital market is a good place for you to come if you're thinking long-term investment. Thank you very much. We've come to the end of the 11th edition of the Capital Market University Challenge. It has been a pleasure to have you all. Thank you to the Capital Market Authority team. Thanks a lot, the whole student fraternity. Thank you for coming through, and we do hope that you will go back to school and talk to your fellow students about the challenge that we have them participate next year. Once again, our sponsors, BK Capital, Bank of Kigali, and Rwanda Stock Exchange. Thank you for making it possible for us to have this event. I would love all the winners to stay behind. And even from the province, we'll have all the 25 contestants will each get something. Every contestant will each get something. As the rest walk out to go have dinner, there's a team that will guide us, direct us to the place where we're having dinner. I'm requesting the 5 winners to stay behind. The 5 winners will stay behind. The rest of us will go enjoy the sumptuous meal that has been served. We have prizes that will be won, but by all the winners from the different provinces I see 100,000 for the fifth winner. There's 150. There's 200,000. There's 250. Every one of the 5 winners will take something home. It has been a pleasure spending time with you, ladies and gentlemen. May you enjoy your meal. May you get home safely. And may you have a fabulous weekend. May you also vote wisely since elections are coming. Okay? God bless you.